Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you guys are here. You're tuned in, you're ready to see this video. As from the title you can see that this is a tutorial to help you if you're beginning to do your makeup on your own. So this is just a few guidelines, a few tips and tricks to help you. And so let's just get started. So I've already moisturized my face. I was using this grapeseed oil from Chef Naturals and also with this Even Mate from Garnier. As a beginner in makeup, you always need to moisturize your face depending on your skin type. If you're dry, you need an oil-based moisturizer. If you're oily, hydrating moisturizer. I actually do recommend this moisturizer if you're oily. It keeps you matte like throughout the day, and it's for very oily complexion, like very oily skin. Someone with very oily skin, this will be good for you. Okay, so now that you have moisturized your face, you want to go in with a primer. Also, in terms of a primer, you need a primer that speaks to your skin type. So I'm going to use this Legal Proper Primer to prime my face.
Ready on this.
Rain or shine, baby, will you hold me down? Hold my hand.
So after primer, if you have acne scars, dark circles, this is the part where you color correct. But as a beginner, I would not recommend color correcting straight away, kwa sababu if you color correct and if you don't blend it in well, like you will see it through your foundation. When you have applied your foundation, like you will see an orange undertone, and especially if you don't have an orange undertone like me, if you're yellow, like utakatu, like una try. If you have dark circles like me, acne scarring, those things, you will need a foundation that is full coverage first of all, or if you can't get a full coverage foundation, you can use a concealer before or after your foundation. So for me, what I like to do is I take this Black Opal Total Coverage. It's a foundation, but I use it as a concealer. It's a concealing foundation. That means it's full coverage. So I'm going to take this Black Opal Concealing Foundation and just go over all the places where there is discoloration or hyperpigmentation. So I'm just going to use my finger like this, and then just blend it out with my finger.
Baby girl, hold my hand. When she hits the fan, will you be my ride or die? And we no go die. Baby, we'll only fly.
I want this harder. Give me your love harder. Make I talk to you harder. Before your window, before your window. You are kissing me harder. Talking to me harder. I want to hold you harder. I love you, I love you.
Hold me down like a shot skate. Will you hold me down? Hold me down like a shot skate too. Hold me down. Hold me down like a shot skate.
Okay, so after that, now we're going to go in with the foundation. So some people, they don't have awful skin, like your skin is just flawless, you don't even need foundation. I am not one of those people. So I need foundation. For the point, or rather the use of foundation is to give you an even face, like it makes your skin equal one tone, because sometimes utapata some people, especially dark skin people, you'll be dark over here, like on the perimeters of your face utakuwa mweusi, but some places like on the up I don't know what it's called, you'll be really light like me. That's even ndio nakuanga, I don't know why. So I need foundation to even all that out, to give you an even skin tone. So I'll be using this Black Opal True Color Pore Perfecting Liquid Foundation. If you're an oily girl, you need to stay away from this foundation. This foundation is so not for you. First of all, it says it's matte, but it's not matte. It says help minimize appearance of pores and matte finish, light medium coverage. It's not a matte finish at all. Like, this foundation does not dry down, but the color range is perfect. So I'm just going to take like a couple of pumps of this foundation, like 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 pumps, and I'm going to blend it in with this brush. And also, when you're doing your foundation, you want to remember to go down your neck. Like, you need to be one shade. You can't be one shade up a Jew and then your neck is like a whole different color. And actually, this foundation, this brush was so inexpensive. I think I got it for like $3.50, and it's so multi-purpose. You can use it for foundation, for powder. It's multi-purpose. And on your forehead, don't put so much foundation. Like, less is more. when it comes to your forehead, you don't want to, you know, when you have foundation on your forehead, you can tell like where the foundation starts, but if you put a little bit, you'll be able to blend it all out. So,
drug boy status showtime. The streets don't give a damn. They're filled with such pollution. The kids don't stand a chance. We're trapped inside the matrix.
To overdo it. Okay, so now we have a base. We have a clear skin tone, even skin tone. Sorry, I don't know why I'm saying that. We have an even skin tone all over. So now that we're done with that, we're going to go in with the brows. Okay, so I usually do my brows before my foundation, but for the purposes of this video, because I feel like if you're a beginner, this will be way easier for you than when you do it before, because you can mess it up when you're doing your foundation. So we're going to do our brows. First of all, I'm going to brush this with a spoolie. I'm going to define my eyebrow. But here's a trick. If you want to make your eyebrow look more natural, don't begin your line here at the beginning. You need to leave a few spaces, and then like you start from here. And then I'm also going to define from the upper side. And then it's the same thing. Don't start from the beginning. So after defining, you're going to blend that product out to make it less harsh. Like, you don't want to be so harsh, to have a harsh line. So after blending that product, then you will fill in your
I think you fell in love too fast. African nights and a cool rush. And I remember you refused to kiss me, and now you're using my toothbrush. You say you think I talk too much, that I'm not your type, when you don't like the hype, cause your daddy is a preacher.
Voila, there is your natural bro. Okay, so because a brow is supposed to begin from here, what you're going to do is we're just going to fake a little bit of brow hairs. We're going to fake some brow hairs from this beginning point to this point. Like, it needs to be really, really, really light strokes. So let's do that.
I don't want this night to end before you know I need you. So I'ma keep it short and sweet. DJ play the song on repeat. Odi dance to the beat. Apolipo kamatana feel so sweet. Apolipo kamatana feel so sweet. Short and sweet.
You can tell there is a difference from there. That's where it's supposed to begin. You see? See? That's where it's supposed to begin. This is where the curve's supposed to be. And then that's the end of your brow. We're going to conceal this brow. I'm going to take my concealer in Toffee. When you're concealing under your brow, you want to use a concealer that's one shade lighter than your skin tone, and that for me is Toffee. And when you're concealing upper juu, you can use your foundation to conceal, because you don't want it to look way more brighter than the rest of your skin, because you have already created that even skin tone effect. So we're going to take a little bit of Toffee, and then I'm going to conceal under my brows. This is also to highlight and to conceal. And then we'll use the foundation, like the concealing foundation in this. Actually, this is nutmeg, and also my foundation is nutmeg, to conceal the upper parts. So I'm just going to take a little bit. So I'm going to start with Toffee.
I know you moved on to someone new. Whole life is beautiful. You were the light for me to find my truth. I just wanna say thank you.
Leaving to find my soul. Told her I had to go. And I know it ain't pretty when our hearts get broke. Too young to feel this old. Watching us both turn cold. Oh, I know it ain't pretty when two hearts get broke. Yeah, I know it ain't pretty when two hearts get broke.
You can see what that concealer did. It just made my arch perfect. Like, it's so perfect. Then I'm going to take this concealing foundation and conceal the upper parts of the eyebrow.
Hope someday we'll sit down together and laugh with each other about these days, these days. All our troubles we'll lay to rest, and we wish we could come back to these days, these days.
So this is the part where I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and then just blend that out. Okay, now that I'm done with my brows, we're going to set our foundation and concealer, because we want it to stay there the whole day. I'm going to be using this black opal soft velvet finishing powder. I'm just going to leave it there for a little while. This is what is called baking. So the point of this is, first of all, to set your foundation. Secondly, what does it do? It highlights your face. It highlights your face. As you can see, I've applied it on all the areas where concealer, I'm supposed to highlight with concealer, but because I didn't use concealer to highlight, I'm just going to use this powder so that it can have that effect as if I have highlighted my face. Then I like to go over this on my brows, like this powder. I'll go over it like this, just over my brows, usually to lighten them and also to set them, because sometimes if you don't have gel, because as you saw, I didn't comb it out with a gel to set it, but this is going to set it. Set my eyes. So I will also set my eyes with this. As we wait for that to bake, I'm going to do my mascara.
V-Tech the awesome.
1 for the party, 2 for the money, 3 for the 3 for the honey, 4 for the 4 when you shake your bum 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 bum. See, me I like to party. Party with the boys that get money. Hey, me I like to party.
Powder.
Hold on when the music come up. Hold on when the music come up. Hold on when the music come up. When the DJ give them minutes on up. Hey, say me I like to party with Rashida and the Nancy. Hey, see me whining. Hold on, not talking in bottles. Hey, say I like to party with Shakira and Beyonce from Miami. Hey, I like to chilling with Dulce and Jay-Z.
Now that I've done with that, I'm just going to set my face with this clean color makeup sealant. Okay, this is a very important step when you're doing your makeup. This makes sure that your makeup stays where it is. So you're going to drench yourself in this, literally bathe. Okay, so it also takes off the excess powdery look of setting or baking your face. After that, you can apply to your lips whatever you feel like. If you're a matte lip kind of girl, if you're a glossy lip kind of girl, if you want to just put on your lip balm and go, fanya ka wewe. And after that, we are ready to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. I'm so glad that you tuned in. Please make sure to subscribe for more videos, and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.